Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the font of several different texts at once in the Canva Mobile. So here, as you guys can see here on this design, there are a few texts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 6 group of tags. And if you want to change the font by only just one click, here's how you can do it. So for example, let's try click on one of the tags and click on the font at the bottom, then select the new font that you want. So for example, this one. Okay, now if you want to change the rest, you can just click on change all here at the bottom, and the rest of the text will follow the font that you chose. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.